Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Report मिळालं की there is a lot of garbage being dumped over here at ARAMBOL'S Sweet Lake, and also we heard that a few of the foreign tourists have volunteered and gathered few of the waste over here. So then we checked what might be the source of this. So Sweet Lake, which is very famous over here. So there are a lot of locals and tourists who come over here. Basically, while coming over, they carry a few beer bottles with them also, but while going, they do not take any of this. Also, the few restaurants which are located on the cliffside are also suspected to be dumping the glass bottles over here. There is a small path from which you can walk to this place. So the transportation of waste becomes a problem over here. So then we have put some people from the beach cleaning company also to clear all the waste. So they will be making trips from Sweet Lake to the Kerim side, and from there they will be unloaded and sent into trucks to the Saligaon waste treatment facility. So that is how we will be handling the disposal of it. Also the shack, we have found that there is one dismantled shack because there is a lot of toilet items and plumbing material that we found, and even flooring material. So it looks like there was one shack which was abandoned. And it collapsed on itself, and this became like a black spot over here, and eventually people started dumping at that same place.
We have to take very serious action on such activities. आम्ही बेश्टे तोंडार म्हणून जावचे ना. ते आमदारचे भागान ह्या भागाचे आमदार असताना ज्यो गोष्टी घडल्यात म्हाका दिसता ही संवय जाल्ली आसा. पण तुमकां एक एश्युरन्स दिवंक शकता, अशा प्रकारची कसलीच वायट गोष्ट, ते डंपिंग असो, ते सोऱ्याची बाटलो असो किंवा ते कचरो असो, अशो गोष्टी कोणीय जरी करपाचो प्रयत्न खपोवन कसोच घेवचो ना.